Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Google Sheets editable by everyone. So in here, you can just open the Google Sheets that you want to share. For example, in here, I'm going to open this sheets. And now you can see that the current status is private to only me, so only me can edit the file. So what you need to do is just click on the share button in here and then change the access into anyone with the link. And now you can add the people or invite the other editor that you want. For example, here I'm going to add this two person, and here you need to choose their role as editor. Then click on share. And just like that, the access has changed and the other people that I invited can edit this file. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks